In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your Temu order. Whether you're new to shopping on the Temu app or just need a little refresher, I'm here to guide you through the easy process step by step. First, let's begin by opening your Temu app. Once you have the app open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice a variety of categories displayed on the main screen, or if you prefer, you can use the search bar at the top to find specific items. Here's a handy tip. If you have an item on hand, you can use the camera icon in the search bar to scan it and find similar products right on Temu. Now, as you browse through the products, when you find a product that catches your eye, go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the product details where you can check out different options like color, size, and quantity. Be sure to select the preferences that best suit your needs. Once you've made your selections, tap the Add to Cart button, and voila, the item will be added to your shopping cart. If you're ready to proceed to checkout, simply tap the cart icon located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a summary of all the products you've chosen. Here, it's important to review all the items you want to purchase. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and press the checkout button. Before finalizing your purchase, you'll need to verify the address you'd like to use for shipping. Make sure the shipping details are correct to avoid any delivery issues. Next, choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card or a digital wallet. Select the option that suits you best and submit your order, and just like that, your purchase is complete. Now, if you're curious about checking your orders, head over to the home page of the app. Look for the user icon at the bottom of the page and tap it. This will take you to a page where you'll find the Your Orders section. Here you can view all your recent and previous purchases. If by chance you've already placed an order but want to add more items, look for an order marked as processing. If this option is available, you'll see a prompt to add items or modify order. Simply tap that, browse for the additional items you'd like, and select Add to Order. If required, confirm your payment details to complete the process. And there you have it. You're all set to add items to your Temu order with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.